All right. What's up, y'all? So I've been a bad content creator, man.
I'm a bad boy.
Bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come?
So I bought these pair of shoes.
You know, God put me in a position, and I just try to take advantage of my opportunities.
Top of the year. I bought these pair of shoes top of the year, and I did record a video for it, but I never got around to actually like editing it and whatnot and putting it out. So I'm gonna do the video today. Fuck it. So I picked these up, like I said, top of the year, around January, and I recorded some footage, but I never was able to even get the video out. I don't know. I think some stuff happened in January. Yeah, I think that's what it was.
Tight shit.
But nonetheless, we're here now, and we're gonna go ahead and get into it. I actually copped these. They were online on Adidas.com. I thought it was a glitch at first, but it wasn't a glitch. I want to say what was the price of them? Dang, what was the price? I can't remember. I might have to refer back to my old footage, but the shoes were on sale, like on the site. Like they were marked down, like by a lot. No cap. I only paid like 30 or 50. It wasn't even like $70 or anything. It was hella cheap. So it was a steal in my opinion. Adidas Campus 2000. Y'all see him. Yep. So I don't know why it took me so long to even try to get this video out. These are clean, and it's part of what's going on, nowadays, fashion wise. We tend to recycle trends, as y'all see on the daily, or however often, every so many years, something to come back. We got skinny jeans up out of here. Now we're back to the more of the fitted, baggier jeans. So now these are comfortable. I ain't gonna need cap. And then they have the thick bottoms, so that's always a plus in my book. The thick bottoms and whatnot. They came with the fat laces, as y'all can see, fat laces, and like I said, that thick bottom. Comfortable. I would go true to size. If you want to cop, go true to size. Style wise though, if you're gonna wear these, you're gonna have to have like some sort of pants that can go over the shoes, so you want to keep that in mind when you cop. As far as like shorts, you should be good. Shorts wise. Adidas has been doing their thing, man, ever since Ye and them parted ways. They just, like, even when the Yeezys, when they were trying to just get rid of everything that they had in warehouse, like they was chopping prices like crazy, like just trying to get them out of there. But they rely more on their OG pair of shoes, like the Sambas, these, and they have Anthony Edwards now, James Harden. Like those basketball shoes I still want a pair of Hardens. I'm not even gonna lie. I still want a pair. They look cool. So Adidas, keep doing what y'all doing, man. Y'all been moving in the right direction. Adidas, Puma, Asics, y'all doing y'all thing. Y'all doing y'all big one for real. Cause for a while it was just Nike. It was Nike, Jordan brand, like just going crazy. But even some more shoe companies are doing pretty well. So it's a good time for the sneaker culture. You know what I'm saying? To actually be able to pick and choose and not just have to stick by one brand ultimately, because it was a point in time where Jordans, Nike, and what was it? It was just mainly Nike and Jordan, really just doing their thing, and everybody just had to have those. But now, like, people, it's more broader. Like I know it was before, but y'all know what I'm saying because once in a while, it was just primarily like Jordans. Everybody had to just get the Jordans. They sold out like quickly, like instantly. The Nike SBs were going crazy, and then COVID hit, and resale prices like started to kind of dip. It not dip but rise because people were in the house and just copping stuff, man, and the resale game was just crazy for quite some time, but now it's starting to get back in a better place, in my opinion, a better place. So like I said, Adidas, Puma, Asics, even Under Armour, Reebok, like everybody doing a big one, man. So it's not just Nike and stuff like that. Like I said, we have more of a selection, and with the fashion trends that are going on now, like you can't wear like Jordans like that anymore. Like I rarely wear mine when I go out, and if I do, I always just stick to the ones and the fours. Those are always my go-to. I looked up on these, but these have been a pretty good staple pair as of this year in my collection. So I really do highly recommend that you guys go and pick up a pair of these because they go well with pretty much anything that whatever look I'm trying to go for, they go with. So hopefully you enjoyed this video and just enjoyed me just talking, just shooting the breeze, man, shooting the shit, as the old people would say. Appreciate you guys stopping through, watching this video. Be on the lookout for more videos that I have coming up. I'm gonna be posting more long form videos, and like I said, make sure you check out my shorts that I have on my channel. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Watch whatever recommended videos or any videos that you can relate to on my channel, because it helps my videos get pushed out more because of the algorithm and whatnot. So please leave a like and subscribe to my channel. Just leave a comment. And I also have my gaming channel as well. I've been posting over there too, so make sure you go over there, subscribe, hit the like video on whatever gaming videos that you enjoy. I'll be posting over there a lot too. So appreciate all the support. I wouldn't be in the position that I am in right now without you guys, so I really do appreciate it. swaggytrice, I am out. I'm done rambling. Y'all have a great one. Be blessed. See you next time. Peace.